Hey everybody, it's the TheDollBoy, and today I'll show you how I reroot this Ariel doll that I recently got at Disneyland Paris. Her original hair already was really pretty, but the nylon hair was pretty poofy and not as long as I would like it to be, so I decided to reroot her in saran hair. First, I cut off all the original hair as short as possible, dip the hair in warm water, to remove it from the body, and scrape the inside of the head to remove the leftover hair from the inside. The new hair I'm using is a long saran hair from dollyhair.com in the colors Red Wine, Torch Auburn, and Pillarbox Red. As you can see, the Red Wine really gives the hair this purple burgundy undertone, which I really love. Mixing it with those red colors did make sure that the overall look was still red enough to match Ariel's red hair. And then I just reroot the hair like I normally do. As you can see, the hairline didn't reach equally far down on both sides, so to even it out, I added some extra hair on her left side, creating my own hair plugs. Also, on the back of her hairline, the original hair plugs were really spaced out. To fix this, I just added some strands in between the original hair plugs to make it look fuller. To match Ariel's look in the movie, I also changed the side of her part and created my own part line from scratch. If you need a more detailed look on how to create a really neat part line without having to thatch it, make sure to click the iCard to watch that tutorial. When I finished rooting all of the hair, I braid it out of the way and glue the hair in place from the inside of the head. I use a Q-tip to spread the glue evenly and let it dry overnight. When the glue is all dry, I put her on a pink top Made To Move Barbie body and boil wash her hair to make it lay nice and flat. I really hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see how I created this blue dress for her, inspired by her Disney Parks look, that video is coming really soon. And if you want to see more pictures of my dolls, make sure to check me out on Instagram at TheDollBoy. See you next time!